Xavier did.
Oh.
And this one I just twisted. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna do a twist out.
Well, you tried.
I did. So at least it stretched my hair. So that's that. That's what I could use these flexi wraps for, just to stretch my hair. And then style it the next day. So, dang it. YouTube lied to me. This isn't easy at all. At least my hair's shiny. Give it that. So yeah, that's probably what I could do. I'm probably gonna know what I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna just twist these up, put them back in a roller set, and then I don't fucking know. This is so annoying. YouTube. Well, holy crap, this ain't even okay. See, this one definitely is still wet. How the hell is this still wet? I was in the dryer for hours. Well, this is gonna be twisted up.
It's still there?
Yeah. I don't know why. I sat under the dryer for like 3 hours. And then put the freaking blow dry directly on my hair. And this is still wet. This is probably like an overnight thing. I'm not even gonna unravel this because it's not gonna look right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these pieces that were already parted and just twist it. I'm gonna twist it up and then just do a twist out. At least it's shiny though. Like I said, my hair's shiny. I'll give it that. Alright. It's coming out pretty well. So this rod set wasn't completely in vain. The twisting saved it. Definitely. Just like this, probably just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay. See, some of these are a little janky because I guess the length and how much it curled. But I don't know. It turned out all right. I had to do a little extra work, but it wasn't that bad. I need to train my hair to start doing side parts now. I've been doing middle parts for so long, my hair don't know what the hell to do. See, this is what I was expecting the first time when I did it on dry hair and the shit turned into a damn afro in like 10 minutes. So, I mean, this way wasn't bad. Like I said, I'll probably try it again. This time I'll do a whole overnight set and see if it matters. If not, then this will be the new way. Twist and roll and call it a day. All right. Ooh, why does one look all silly? Whatever. Alright, so this is it. This is what it looks like. Here's the back. I don't know what it looks like, so please don't make fun of me. Alright. I'll try this again some other time. But right now, this will do.